Good morning, guys. How are we all doing? So welcome to the weekend. Happy Saturday, everybody. This is our Bitcoin morning update. So if you guys wouldn't mind smashing that like button, and we shall go straight over to those Bitcoin charts. So weekend price action. As you know, I always favor that ranging sideways price action. Obviously at this price point for Bitcoin, nearly 50k, that does leave obviously leave room for big dollar value swings. So we've got the top of the range, well over 48k. We've got the lower end of this this higher end, lower end of the higher end of the range, lower end of this top half of this range, of basically around 46k. So that leaves us a $2,000 range, and then we've got this larger range, like the larger range. God, how many times can I say range? The larger range, which is 44k. So that does leave us a $4,000 sandbox to play in, basically. So yeah, as you can see, at the moment though, we are holding we're holding quite nicely in the top part. So yeah, I mean if whilst we hold up here, obviously we can decide we can still get a nice pump up, a nice move up here, because obviously it's not going to take a lot to get us above these recent highs, and then we are back into our good old price discovery again. But yeah, like I said, I tend to look for sideways at weekends. That usually tends to be the case, a reversion to the mean. Obviously we don't have traditional markets open, we don't have CMEs open, so yeah, that is kind of what we're looking at here. Not too much else to say, but all I will say, it is looking good that Bitcoin is obviously holding this, thus far, holding this around 46k support level. Obviously it starts to make it look like one of those good old ascending triangles. I'm always a bit hesitant putting these on, because you guys kind of know I prefer these rectangle, these horizontal level ranges, and let's just trade sideways into them. So yeah, we do have this, and this could blast us onwards and upwards like pretty easily. But I do have a bias towards sideways, especially at weekends as well. So yeah, Bitcoin pretty much done there, but we'll keep an eye on this trend line, because once you drift out of this, if we drift out of this, then yeah, that could obviously indicate that we are basically definitely not in an ascending triangle, and just going to trade this range out a bit longer. Nothing's definite, obviously. Maybe the wrong words have chosen there. Ethereum, Bitcoin. As you can see, it has broken above this trend line. So when it did such thing, it obviously accelerated to the upside. So yeah, that's good. Good to see us resist this level again. Obviously, at the moment, it is just a back test, the resistance of this level. We need to get back above here, then back above here, and then I think, well, we'll be looking for a test of these highs again. So Ethereum is certainly looking better. But it is clear, as in Ethereum Satoshi pairing is looking better, but it's clearly not out of the woods here. So yeah, we do basically want to take out these highs, get to this level. Well, I'm basically saying we want it to go up, but yeah, we've got to take out this level, then we will start to. I think people will start to basically be more confident piling into Ethereum here. Over Bitcoin, basically. But yeah, obviously that like I said, that is yet to happen though. So yeah, keep an eye on that. Obviously the dollar pairing, is clearly looking fantabulous here. You can kind of see we've got this horizontal tops here, which we are currently looking at. Well, basically bounced off at the moment. But yeah, I mean, this is obviously looking good. It is looking good for moves up. The more I look at it, the more this does look like an ascending wedge, but I don't think the crypto market is particularly bearish at the moment. I don't think it's particularly bearish at the moment. So I am just looking for more upside in this dollar pairing. Also, BTC.D, as you can see, coming down. So yeah, this is good. This is what we want. This is what we're looking for. We want this to capitulate all its way down to. We'll just extend this along all its way down to the 50%. or even lower. Go as low as you like. Go as low as you like. Just pump those altcoin bags. You can kind of see the head and shoulders pattern we've got, depending where you actually want to draw the neckline. You could probably draw it up there. Obviously, we had this level that we were looking at, but if we were to draw a projected target of this, very roughly speaking, obviously the neckline being around here, then yeah, we're looking at that give us a move around to the 58%. So that would be a very nice for our altcoins basically. So yeah. Stock markets, just look at this guys. Yeah, we were obviously in a pennant here and it broke to the upside, and then we got the acceleration. Yeah, just closing on well, yeah, all-time highs now. I mean, we just look at the weekly since yeah, you can see it. We don't need to do anything there. Stocks to the moon. Messed my chart up. I've messed everything up. I'll sort this out at a all I've got to do actually is this, and then this, and then this, and then we basically, look, there we go. Yeah, not a lot else I need to really show you guys. Just have a quick look at Tesla. How's Tesla doing? Tesla obviously not looking quite as good here, but maybe, like I said, maybe that Bitcoin exposure is going to weigh in on Tesla, as obviously it has a lot of institutional investors, that some of which maybe are not too enamored with the prospects of Tesla becoming a Bitcoin ETF as such. So yeah, but I mean, back to Bitcoin. As you can see, we're looking good here. We are looking bullish. It's just a case of do we trade out this range longer, or do we break up and set ourselves a new range? That is what we kind of need to look for. I do think at some point we are going to get some, not just sideways but some down. So in much the same way we got it on this initial move up here, 42k, and we played out a range. Basically we tested 30k quite a few times, as you can see. So yeah, maybe we'll get the move up to around the 50k's, and then we could then potentially come down and test the around 42k's a few times. So I do think that is the most likely scenario. And yeah, that's basically what I think is the most likely scenario. Bitcoin probably has to spend some time digesting these basically insane moves that we've been getting. If we look on a weekly here, I don't know why it does this. I mean, you can see that it's been pretty relentless so far. So I mean, even in pretty relentless moves, as you can see, we do get big pullbacks, and yeah, I mean, you can argue we've had one, and that is fine, and yeah, get a bit of a move up around into the 50k's, and maybe we could look for another one. So yeah, that's kind of what I'm looking at. But obviously, if it just keeps catapulting to the upside, that is no problem. I'm sure we can all live with that. So there you go, guys. Happy weekend, everyone. I hope you guys are all well and got some exciting plans for this not so exciting time. But yeah, thanks for listening, and I shall speak to you guys later.